That a girl. Good job.
That's the same fish.
No. Good job. I swore that thing was bouncing just a second ago. Fish on. Good job, Steve. Yeah, it is really big. Keep fighting it. I was just trying to tighten your drag. Hot dog. That a girl. 3, baby. That's 3 today.
You got one and I got 3.
Yep, that means we caught 4.
Yeah, that means.
You gonna take a picture?
Oh, he has a boob too.
Yep, here, hold the line right above the weight. But I want your picture. For mommy. Can you stand up? No. Hey. Good job, baby. Good job. Alright, I'm gonna put him back.
No.
What do you mean, no? Did he poke you?
Yeah.
It's okay. Come on, let's put him back.
No. Go over and don't watch.
Okay. Alright, I got it.
Daddy,
Come on.
put him in.
I gotta get him in. I think he's alright. Yep, there he goes.
He can do it.
Yep, watch your fingers. Alright, I'm gonna put it back out. That's 2 on the same minnow, baby. Daddy's gonna tie your other one off on the same thing. Oh, Jalen, you got a fish. Yep, I think so. Look like it. I could be wrong, Lucy. Oh no, you got one. Good job. Ooh, that one's a different color. It's a little shinier. Hey, what do you think? Good job, baby.
No.
Did he poke you? Gotta watch him. Watch this. Alright. Why are you like touching his eye? Jalen, can you give me my pliers? Never mind, I got him. Put him back. There he goes. Is he being silly? Is he being silly? wonder if he'll go after it again. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna drop this one back down. Hey, don't do that. No, don't you do that. Yeah, I gotta grab him. Look out.
Grab it.
Stop that.